Hey there folks, this is DMC Jedi Man. I'm coming to another video. Today's another taste test, but before I reveal what it is, don't forget if you like my content, be sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you're notified when I upload. Check out my gaming channel sometime if you like video game Let's Plays. And feel free to follow DMC Jedi Man's Den on social media. I'm currently on Facebook, Twitter, Discord, and Blue Sky. Links, as always, will be in the description below. They may not be clickable for a couple months because YouTube's run by morons. So today I'm trying the, let's see if I can figure out how to say, Redondo, cookies and cream wafers. Now, these are, like those, pirouette, type wafer cookies, you know, but cookies and cream flavor. We'll see how they are. I picked them up from the dollar store, so I don't know if they're going to be really good or if they're going to be like, oh, they're horrible. But the only way you find out is by trying things. Ooh, they smell really good. Kind of smell quite a bit like an Oreo. Oh, these are damn good. I may have to buy a few hundred boxes of these. The flavoring is very strong. Really good flavor. Ow. Oh, my teeth are not happy with me right now. Like, I love, you know, both the creamy, you know, softness of the core as well as the crunch. Definitely have to highly recommend these. So if you've never had them and you have a Dollar Tree near you, I would definitely recommend going there and trying these. I have high doubts that these are going to last a day. Like I said, I'm definitely going to have to get some more of those. But hopefully everyone enjoyed this taste test. I will be back with another soon. Till next time though, this has been DMC Jedi Man, and I am signing off. Peace, everybody.